Whether you're a beginner trader or a pro trader, Puprime is definitely the choice that you want to be picking. I've been using these guys for a couple years now, and honestly, this is the best broker I have ever used. When it comes to spread, when it comes to me traveling a lot, I can access this from basically any country, and their support is ridiculously good. So, none of this is financial advice, but without further ado, let's dive straight into the video. So here we are in the Puprime homepage, and as you can see, very professional looking. If we're talking about how well these guys are doing, they do have over 300,000 active clients, a bunch of different trading products as we'll talk about in a minute, and they have multiple regulatory licenses. Now, the difference between these guys and other brokers when it comes to regulatory licenses, basically, they're regulated in the Seychelles and Australia, which are a lot looser when it comes to people accessing the site from different countries. And that's why they are actually able to provide their services in over 200 countries here. So good stuff from Puprime here when it comes to accessing their services. Now, their flagship product at the moment here, guys, they're always releasing new stuff, of course, but this newest feature is incredible. And I've been using this a lot. It's saving me a lot of time because I can just find a trader like me and then copy them. And that's right, yeah. This is a copy trading system on their app. So basically, you download their app, you go to the copy trading section, and then you're just going to find a trader that looks good and is making money. And then from that point, with Puprime's insane infrastructure here, guys, what you can do is simply press follow or copy the trader, select how much you want to copy them with, and then when they make a trade, if they win, then you win as well. And these trades aren't delayed, they're basically instant. So as soon as John Smith here makes a trade, this is going to be something where I make the trade as well instantly. As soon as he gets out and he makes money, I make money as well. So great stuff from Puprime, really diving into 2025, releasing this copy trading system, which is essentially allowing me to take my foot off the gas and then sit back and relax while someone else makes me money. Now, when you are a beginner trader, obviously you want to trade more as well. And the good thing about Puprime is their spreads are ridiculously low here. And when it comes to spread here, guys, we can see with gold alone, super cheap. I've seen other brokers with spreads as high as 66 for trading gold, which is ridiculous. So having spread this low, even below 5, I would say is fantastic when it comes to trading, particularly if you are a beginner or a professional trader. When it comes to actually trading from anywhere in the world, whether you are on your desktop, whether you're on your mobile, or whether you're on a browser in a cafe, right? You can see here, these guys offer everything that you need. We've got the Puprime app, which is super intuitive and works fantastically like any kind of trading app you'd see out there. And we can see they do offer MetaTrader 4 and 5, which is a must for most brokers. They've also got a web trader, which essentially allows you to trade from your browser. If you didn't want to use 4 or 5 here, you can trade directly in your browser using the Puprime platform. And when it comes to security as well here, guys, we can see that yes, the client funds insurance is a thing. This is basically going to insure everyone's money. So if there is in the very low chance a hack or something like this, right, then these guys will insure that money and actually give everyone their money back in the case that happens. But with Puprime, I've never had any problems like this, but it's always good to have this fail safe in place. And a good thing about Puprime is they do also offer market insights, so you can actually get good TA from these guys directly on their app or their website to actually figure out whether an asset is bullish or bearish, or just how the macro trend is going for most world markets. They also do regular webinars so you can learn from them, and they have an academy to basically allow you to discover trading knowledge and learn things, expanding your scope in the trading sphere. When it comes to payments, I've never had an issue here, guys. I obviously use MasterCard or Visa, but they do accept Apple Pay, Nutella, Skrill, and bank transfers as well here. So good stuff there. And another great thing is they do offer a demo account. If you do just want to go ahead, check them out, get started here, download the app, you can do so, trade with that demo account, get access to their market insights, and also just build that account balance up. And then once you're happy, then transfer over to a live account, fund your account, and then you're good to go from there to make money. And don't forget, guys, you can also just copy someone else that's making money out there as well with the copy trading feature. Now, when it comes to trading products, these guys offer everything. They even offer cryptocurrency. Here, guys, if we scroll down, we can see a bunch of cryptos that they offer, which is fantastic. And you can see Forex, indices, commodities, and CFDs as well here. So good stuff here from Puprime, just offering everything the average trader needs. If you're a professional trader, you've got the other assets here that you can access as well. So whether you're a beginner or an advanced trader here, guys, I would highly recommend Puprime for those low spreads, that copy trading feature, and access to a bunch of different assets from basically anywhere in the world. So good stuff from Puprime. Definitely check them out in the description. Use the link below. Make sure you're not ending up on some fake site or something like this. The official link is down below in the description, so make sure you're using that. And that will be it for this video. I will see you guys in the next one.